right now, about 90 tents that were set up by unhoused people along the Bayside Trail are being cleared out. It comes after weeks of debate by the city. The shelters in the city are already full. So while police and city workers right now are clearing out people's belongings, the big question is where everyone who lived on the Bayside Trail will go. News Center Maine's Jack Molman joins us live this noontime from the encampment. Hi, Jack.
Hey Brian, just to put things into perspective here from being here this morning, it was pretty clear to see that between police, other city staff members, along with nonprofits, and even the people who call this place home, the weird thing here is that there really wasn't any idea as to where these people were going to go once this encampment is officially cleared and cleaned out. But that didn't stop city officials last week from voting to remove more than 90 tents here with really no other option for people to go. And the scene from this morning, it was pretty traumatic for the people who do stay here. Now you can see some people were cleaning up as very early this morning, and then you could also see some bulldozers and dump trucks taking out the wooden platforms built over the months, along with people frustrated that the city won't let them stay in one centralized location where they can get help in one spot. We've heard that if more people are dispersed, the chances of dying alone from an overdose go up. On the other hand, the city says the amount of garbage and crowding here on the Bayside Trail is unsafe for the people who live here. That was their main reason for dispersing this encampment. We spoke with Keith Gammon, who's been unhoused for 3 weeks, and he told us he doesn't know where he's going to go.
Nothing I ever dreamed of being like this, but it can happen to anybody. It's very overwhelming to me right now. I don't know what the hell to do. And I got a caseworker, and she's tried everything. And she said, they're working on me to get an apartment, like on Brighton Avenue. But that takes a process.
So what you're seeing on camera here right now live is the last remaining few tents and people left over from the encampment clearing. But the city said the real cleanup here should go on for the next few days, the amount of time it takes the bulldozer to go through and pick up a lot of that garbage. But a lot of the unhoused people I talked to said that they're planning on camping in more public places around the city, such as Congress Street or Deering Oaks Park. And with the shelters being full practically every night, that seems that it's going to be the case. Reporting live in Portland, Jack Molman, News Center Maine.